This video is going to be a full start to finish build on this 2017 F-150 from stock to what we have behind me for only $3,000. Start this truck build off right here with our wheel and tire setup. So these wheels are normally $2,200 online. These are 20 by 9. You can see right there, they're fuel contras. And I got these on Facebook Marketplace for $900. And then also I got these over here. These are takeoffs from Wicked Customs, and the guy sold me these for $300. These are really nice Toyo RTs. We're gonna load these up into the truck and then go get these mounted up. All right, I'm all loaded up right here for tomorrow. I also got, this is the Sherwin-Williams paint that I used to paint this warehouse, and I have to go paint the front office of the unit down the street that I just bought. And I'm also going to be doing that 6-inch trim all the way around that place, and I'm laying down vinyl plank tomorrow, so I'll cut over to a quick clip of the before and after of me renovating the office down the street. I didn't know I was going to be doing this, and I got to take care of it for these tenants because I'm a good guy. I take pride in my properties. So what I'm doing right now is making sure these 35s clear, because on some forums it's like some people are saying these won't clear on this truck, and then some people saying that they will. This is all we're going to be doing to it, is putting a 2.5-inch level in the front. So we're going to lift it up in the front, but I want to see how these clear in the rear first. So I'm going to hook up the wheels in the back, and then hopefully, because it's like, what, 12 o'clock right now, I can get this all done, the leveling kit installed and the wheels on the truck by 2. Even though those lug nuts are too long, I'm just going to Amazon some shorter ones, but I'm still going to put this wheel setup on the truck in the meantime. So then when I, get the new ones in, I can put the center caps on, and I'll just, swap them out, leave the wheels on the truck. I'm not going to get too into depth into this, but it's pretty simple stuff. You disconnect that, you disconnect both control arm bolts, your swing arm bolt, and then right over here is our strut, and it just has a little spacer that goes on the top of it. You got, 2 bolts, you got some studs coming out of it. Really simple stuff, not too much to explain. You crank that thing on there, put it in there, and then you got 2.5 inches of lift. This is a little bit less than 2.5 inches because of the angles of it. I think this is 1 3/4 inches. So we're going to pop this thing back in there, and you can sometimes do it with leaving those lower control arm bolts in, but then you got to really squeeze it. You risk tearing a boot. Just not worth it. So I'll probably patch this thing all back together, 20 minutes, boom, go to the other side, get it done.
Okay, it's physically impossible. So how do they fix that? So maybe we got a whole bunch myself, and then as soon as I start...
So I'm working, it's late at night, and this guy right here calls me, thinking that he's working harder than me, yet he's in bed looking for deals. Dude, look at this. I got the leveling kit on the truck with the wheels all within like 2 hours. So, this thing's looking really sweet now. And I was going to call it a night. It's 2 a.m. But, I'm just going to crank out these headlights. I've been looking at what the Raptors have. And the white Raptors, they still have the black headlights. And I feel like if I pull that apart and I do it white, and I'm not going to color match everything, do the mirrors, it's just going to kind of look corny, cheesy, and kind of cheap in my opinion. So I'm just going to install these with black, and if I don't like it, I'll just pull them back out and then paint them white. But I got these LED Vland headlights going inside this truck, so I'm going to replace these OEM halogens, and then I'm also going to pull out those fog lights and put in LED fog lights, which I have over here in a box somewhere. So let's get to it. Moving on to doing the seats in this. It's two 12 millimeters holding it in at the bottom. You got 4 bolts, and then I got 5 here on the back, 18 millimeter. So we're gonna pop these out and pull off the skin, start wrapping these seats. I got the seats out of the truck. I already wrapped this rear seat and the front driver's seat. I got the interior mounted up inside of here. It just needs to sit outside in the sun, heat up, and get everything nice and tight with it. But it looks absolutely great.